Hello guys and girls, on today's episode on What Went Wrong, I'm going to show you how it looks when a power steering pump blows up on a supercharged 2003 ZHP. Unfortunately with the RPM, the front pump cannot keep up, so it actually blew the front seal.
Rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector. Rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector.
So the pulley's going to go right here. Now that we cleaned it up a little bit, we're going to start putting the belt and the pulley back. And then we can fill it up with fluid and we'll check it out. Make sure it's all good.
Rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector. Rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector.